Hello and welcome back to our next video from this series on how to create your own online school with Teachable. We have previously seen how to customize the look and feel of your own online school. That means to select the fonts that you want to use on the page of the online school, to select the colors and everything else, the logos and the fave icons and other things like that. Now I will show you what other things you can customize on your website for your own online school in Teachable. Okay, so first things first, what you have to do is go in the site section in your left side menu. Okay, after you log into the admin panel, in theme you can set up the things that you have previously seen. Now what we can do, another thing, is to set up our own domain if we want to. So by default we will have the standard .teachable subdomain, but we can change it. We can give it a different name if we want to at any time, but we can also have our own custom domain name. Okay, we have instructions for how to install our own domain name, how to verify it, and everything else, but for now we will stick to our own one. The idea is that you can change this, and this can be in your advantage if you want to make it to look more professional by adding your own domain name. Okay, then we confirm the domain, and that's about it. Another thing that we can work on is the navigation buttons of our website. I don't know if you remember, but this is our own online school that we have started. Here you can see the navigation from the header. Okay, now let me go back to the navigation on the home page, and you can see that in the home page settings, when we are logged out, a user will be able to see the home page, and when he is logged in, he will be able to see the course directory, or he can select his own page if he wants to. We can see that, like, the terms of use, the privacy policy, or the home page. Okay, then here we have the navigation bar. Basically these are the default let's say buttons or links in the navigation bar, but we can add other links as well. Okay, for example, we can add into the navigation bar a contact link. Okay, we can put an URL for the contact link, open in a new tab, yes, visible to all, add the link. Okay, domain cannot be blank, let's just put it on Google. Okay, add the link, and we have a new link, right? If I will refresh here my page, we should be able to see the contact button, and we can see it here. If I click on the contact button, you can see it redirects me to Google, right? So this is a huge thing that you can do. Then you can also add in the footer different types of links. For example, again, contact http google.com, open a new tab, visible to everybody or to people who are logged in or logged out. Add link. Now if we will refresh our page, and if we scroll down, we can see that we have the contact link now, okay, in the footer. So this is how we work with the navigation. Now let's go to the left side menu again. What we can do here, as you have seen, we can have for different courses different authors. In this option from the menu, we can add different authors, okay, as many as we want. We can put an image for them, a photo, we create a short description, full name, and the headline, and we add as many as we want, and then we can add these authors to different courses. Okay, these should be the authors of the courses. Then we have the pages, and we have the home page. We can edit the home page, obviously, and homepage hero header. So basically this is like the first part that a user sees, the header. Okay, we can add a background, we can show buttons of enroll or not. We have featured courses, and we can select the number of featured courses if our online school has more. We have settings. Okay, we can select the page title, the page URL, remove all scroll template code from. Okay, we can just leave it empty, but we don't want that. We want to see the navigation bar or not. We can have a colored navigation bar, and to show the footer or not. Okay, so these are the options that we have. Okay, then we have the comment section, and no comments have been made on your lectures. Basically from here you can control the comments made on different courses on your lectures, but we don't have any at the moment. Then if we want to add custom text, for example in the header, we can do that. okay, for the footer as well. So this is just custom text that represents something, okay. We can add our own here if we want to, okay, no biggie. Code snippets, here we can create code snippets, okay, CSS for example. And then we have the Power Editor, but in order to be able to use the Power Editor and to modify everything as we want in HTML format with CSS and everything, we need to upgrade to a premium version, okay. That means to upgrade to a paid version of Teachable. And if you want to do that, it's fine. If don't, no problems, okay. So these are all the things that we can customize in terms of how the website looks, how the online school looks, and you can see that we can pretty much customize everything. Now, thank you very much for watching, and I'm looking forward to see you in our next video to go furthermore in how to create our own online school with Teachable.